Want sparkling clean tile floors without pushing dirt into the grout lines? In this video, we've rounded up the best vacuums for tile floors you can buy in 2026. From powerful cordless models to budget-friendly options, we'll help you choose the perfect vacuum for your home. Let's get started. Starting at number 1. NARWAL Flow 2 Robot Vacuum. NARWAL Flow 2 Robot Vacuum and Mop Combo is an advanced smart cleaning device designed to deliver powerful vacuuming and automated mopping performance for modern homes. Featuring an impressive 31,000 pascals suction power, it efficiently captures dust, dirt, pet hair, and debris from different floor surfaces. The Flow Wash self-cleaning mop system helps maintain cleaner mop pads, while the 212 degrees Fahrenheit hot water washing and drying technology provides deep cleaning and improved hygiene. Equipped with AI object recognition, the robot can intelligently identify and avoid obstacles for smoother navigation. It also features self-emptying and self-refilling capabilities, reducing manual maintenance and making daily cleaning more convenient. With its powerful performance, smart automation, and advanced cleaning technology, the NARWAL Flow 2 Robot Vacuum and Mop Combo, renewed, is an excellent choice for users looking for an efficient hands-free cleaning solution. Number 2. Dyson V15 Detect Cordless Vacuum. Dyson V15 Detect Cordless Vacuum is a powerful and intelligent cleaning device designed to deliver deep cleaning performance across multiple floor types. Featuring advanced laser dust detection technology, it reveals microscopic particles that are often difficult to see, helping ensure a more thorough clean. The vacuum uses powerful suction technology to capture dust, dirt, pet hair, and fine debris, while its intelligent sensor system automatically adjusts power based on the amount of debris detected. With a lightweight cordless design, versatile attachments, and a high-efficiency filtration system that captures fine particles, the Dyson V15 Detect provides a convenient and hygienic cleaning experience. Its rechargeable battery, digital display, and smart cleaning features make it an excellent choice for homes looking for a premium cordless vacuum with strong performance and advanced technology. Number 3. Shark Rotator Lift-Away Upright Vacuum NV501. Shark Rotator Lift-Away Upright Vacuum NV501 is a powerful and versatile cleaning solution designed for deep cleaning carpets, hard floors, and hard-to-reach areas. Featuring lift-away technology, the detachable pod allows users to easily clean stairs, furniture, and above-floor surfaces with greater flexibility. It comes with a HEPA filter system designed to help capture dust and allergens, while the 0.9 quart dust cup provides convenient debris collection for longer cleaning sessions. The vacuum features advanced swivel steering for smooth maneuverability around furniture and tight spaces, along with LED headlights that help illuminate hidden dirt and debris. Included accessories such as the wide upholstery tool, dusting brush, and crevice tool make it suitable for cleaning various surfaces throughout the home. With its strong performance, versatile design, and convenient features, the Shark Rotator NV501 is an excellent choice for everyday home cleaning. Number 4. Dream Aero Pro Steam Wet Dry Vacuum Mop. Dream Aero Pro Steam Wet Dry Vacuum Mop is an advanced all-in-one cleaning device designed to vacuum, mop, and sanitize floors with powerful performance. It features 392 degrees Fahrenheit steam cleaning technology to help remove stubborn dirt and provide a deeper clean, while the 28 kilopascals suction power efficiently captures dust, debris, and pet hair. With its ultra-slim 3.88-inch design, the vacuum mop can easily reach under furniture and tight spaces. Designed for pet owners, it offers zero-hair tangle technology to reduce maintenance and keep the brush running smoothly. The device includes a heated brush wash system and hot air drying feature to help keep the cleaning components fresh and ready for use. Offering up to 70 minutes of runtime, the Dream Aero Pro provides extended cleaning sessions with cordless convenience. Combining powerful suction, steam cleaning, smart maintenance features, and a slim design, it is an excellent choice for modern homes seeking an efficient wet and dry floor cleaning solution. Number 5. Dream L60 Pro Ultra Robot Vacuum and Mop. Dream L60 Pro Ultra Robot Vacuum and Mop is a powerful smart cleaning solution designed to provide hands-free floor care with advanced automation. Featuring an impressive 35,000 pascals suction power, it efficiently captures dust, dirt, pet hair, and debris from different floor surfaces. The robot includes hot water mop self-cleaning technology to help maintain mop hygiene and improve cleaning performance. Equipped with smart obstacle avoidance, it intelligently navigates around furniture and objects while creating an efficient cleaning path. The auto-empty feature reduces manual maintenance by automatically transferring collected debris to the base station, providing a more convenient cleaning experience. With its sleek black design, powerful suction, intelligent navigation, and automated mopping features, the Dream L60 Pro Ultra is an excellent choice for modern homes looking for a reliable and advanced robot vacuum and mop system. Thanks for watching. We hope this guide helped you find the best vacuum for your tile floors. If you're interested in any of the products featured today, you'll find all the purchase links in the video description below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more honest reviews, buying guides, and the latest home tech. See you in the next video.